Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install VMware on Windows 11. So first things first, you have to go to any web browser and then search for VMware Workstation, and there are different sites here that can help you download this tool. But this time, we have to click this text spot. So you have to click this one, and then below there are options of MBWare workstation. So let's just say you want to download this tool right here. So it's up to you. And what you're going to do next is just click and it will be automatically appear right here. And it's now starting to download. So let's just say we're downloading the VMware Workstation Player, or let's just say this is VMware Workstation Pro. It's the same procedure. So whatever you download here, it's the same procedure. Now, once done, then you can now open the download folder here, or the small box will just pop up. Tap on next. Okay, you have to read the following. Tap on next. You need to check everything here. And once okay, tap on next. Agree with the terms and conditions. So you have to scroll down, read, and then after that, tap on next. Recheck for the tool's location. Tap on next. Okay, read again, tap on next. And it is now starting to install. So you have to wait for a couple of minutes. It depends on your internet connection too. Once done, you can now go to your start menu and then search for VMware. It could be VMware Workstation Player, VMware Workstation Pro. It's the same thing, just open and you will see it right away on your desktop. So you can now use this tool because you have downloaded it, and this is the easiest way to install. There are other sites where you can install VMware Workstation Pro or Player or whatever you want, but I also suggest TechSpot for easier way to download. So basically, that's how easy it is to install VMware on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.